Welcome back to Amicus Studio, your destination for architecture, home design ideas, and interior design inspiration. Nestled in the serene settlement of Bowentown, situated along the breathtaking Bay of Plenty on New Zealand's North Island, the Bowentown Bach House stands as a testament to architectural ingenuity. Designed by Edwards White Architects, this remarkable dwelling seamlessly merges with its rugged coastal surroundings, providing a haven that gazes upon the expansive foredunes and the endless ocean. Drawing inspiration from a piece of driftwood, this unique architectural masterpiece evokes warmth and harmony, while preserving the untouched beauty of its environment. Design inspired by nature. The Bowentown Bach House, conceived as an architectural ode to a weathered and charred piece of driftwood, blends effortlessly with its coastal backdrop. Like the driftwood gradually receding into the dunes, this singular structure reveals golden hues of protected, untouched inner wood through thoughtfully placed incisions. The design of the Bowentown Bach House mirrors this natural wonder, creating an inviting and cozy living space that mirrors the essence of the driftwood itself. A journey through warmth and invitation. As you approach the Bowentown Bach House, its dark, weathered exterior may initially appear imposing. However, this angular facade quickly gives way to a moment of warmth and invitation. As you step inside, a diagonal circulation path bifurcates the plan, leading guests to an elevated living space that offers breathtaking views of the wind-swept dunes. The unique external geometry continues to weave its magic indoors, providing both spacious, airy areas and cozy nooks that radiate intimacy. Custom bookcases, kitchen shelves, and window seats seamlessly fit into the corners of this distinctive floor plan, fostering a strong connection to the natural environment while offering refuge from the neighboring suburbia. Blending in with nature. The interior of the Bowentown Bach House harmonizes perfectly with the coastal dunes, embracing a warm and natural color palette that accentuates the breathtaking views outside. The rough-sawn timber flooring adds a tactile experience underfoot, infusing the space with comfort and serenity. This design choice complements the primary focus on the view and the uninterrupted connection to the stunning outdoors. A unique architectural narrative. While many architectural expressions in Coromandel emphasize the ease of transitioning between interior and exterior spaces, the Bowentown Bach House offers a distinct narrative. It's a story of refuge and a meticulously curated environmental experience. Every element of this dwelling, from its form to its materials, has been carefully chosen to immerse residents in the beauty of the surrounding landscape, while providing a comfortable, serene retreat from the world. The Bowentown Bach House by Edwards White Architects stands as a testament to the power of architectural innovation in harmony with nature. Its unique design, inspired by the simple beauty of driftwood, invites residents to experience the coastal landscape in a way that is both intimate and grandiose. This remarkable dwelling serves as a reminder that architecture can not only coexist with nature, but can also enhance and celebrate the natural world.